everyone, this is Judy, and today I am going to tour you around the Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. But before that, I wanted to give a shout out to Ati Tata and Ati Idang and Kuya Gerard for making our Dubai adventure such an unforgettable experience for the whole family. It was awesome. Without you guys, it will be hard for us to roam around Dubai. So thank you so much. Okay, let's get it on. Alright. So as you can see from afar, you can really see how grand the Grand Mosque. Okay. Yeah, so we are, I don't know which side we were at this moment, but I believe we got lost just a bit, and we are looking for the car park. So I already printed the photo book of our Dubai adventure, so I'll be reading some facts about the Grand Mosque from this photo book because I cannot memorize everything. So yeah, the Grand Mosque is the largest mosque in the United Arab Emirates. Okay, so the girls need to change we need to change to the required clothing, which is the abaya and the shaila. Shaila is the headscarf. And during that time, they're still doing some construction works. I think it's not 100% done yet. So I think we are about to turn right here going to the car park. Yes. So to get the shaila and the abaya, we need to go down the basement and put on the abaya and the shaila. It was free of charge. I'm not so sure about this time if it's still free. Okay, so the women are really required. The men have the option to wear the white clothing. So I'm not sure what's the name of that. So in here we are already going to the main prayer hall. But before that, this is the mirror, the water mirror and column. So I'm just gonna read some important notes there. The poles along the arcades reflect the mosque's spectacular columns, which become even more glorious at night. It was already glorious during daytime, how much more during nighttime. And just look at the details on the walls, on the columns, on the ceiling, guys. It was amazing. It was the design was amazing. We are going towards the main prayer hall, and this is the open area, and it was really huge. And then the main prayer hall can accommodate about 7,000 worshippers. 7,000. It's a lot. It's a big number. Okay, so and before we go inside, you'll be greeted with this beautiful chandelier. Oh my god, it was really magnificent. Okay, so the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque has 7 imported chandeliers from the company Fostig, Germany, that incorporate millions of Swarovski crystals. Okay, and then all chandeliers are made from gilded stainless steel and gilded brass. Approximately 40 kg of 24 karat galvanized gold was used. Wow. Glass panels studded with Swarovski crystals were installed in all of them. Wow. And yes, the carpet in the main prayer hall, it was considered to be the world's largest carpet made by Iran's carpet company and designed by Iranian artist Ali Khaliki. Let me know in the comments if I pronounce it wrong. Okay, so the carpet was made by around 1,200 to 1,300 carpet nutters, and it weighed 35 tons. Wow, amazing. And it took them around 2 years to complete the carpet. Wow, amazing. It was beautiful. I mean, inside the hall, it was beautiful. The walls, the ceilings, the columns. Look at that. Oh, the design, the intricate designs. Wow. I'm lost of words, guys, how to describe the Grand Mosque. It was indeed grand. It was beautiful. It was magnificent. And this one, the father and daughter bonding. So I'm not so sure what they were talking about. So in here, we are about to go home. It was really hot, guys. It was 2 p.m. It was 42 degrees Celsius. Oh, the temperature was 42 degrees Celsius. It was really hot. We were unconsciously dehydrated because our skin, I noticed that our skin was really scaly. Yes, because it was very hot. I think the perfect timing to go to the Grand Mosque is from around 5 p.m. going to nighttime, so that you can really see the beauty of the Grand Mosque from daytime to nighttime, because the lights were amazing, guys. I saw the pictures. We actually regretted that we went there around 2 p.m. It would be better to go there from 5 to nighttime. See you guys. Bye bye.